So this video is pretty important because this is essentially how you're going to go ahead and edit your privacy pages based on your particular domain and website, right? So first thing is first, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go to other funnel steps right here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a look at where it says privacy policy. Now I'm going to click on privacy policy and we're going to edit stuff in here. We're going to click edit page, and you're going to see a lot of text on this page. But first thing we want to do is go to settings, tracking code, make sure there's nothing here. Then the other thing we want to do is go to settings, SEO metadata, and just make sure it's called privacy policy. That's good enough. But now you'll start to notice we at cosmichealthy.com, we want to change that because it's not the right domain. So what we're going to do is make sure that we have the correct domain where this is going to be. So let me show you exactly which domain we're going to be using. So remember, we're going to be using inspiredlife.co. So what I want to do is I want to highlight all of this, right? You're going to highlight all of it and then you're going to copy it. Very simple. So if you just click in anywhere and just click Command A for a Mac or Control A, so it's highlighting it all, and then Command or Control C, copy it, and then go to docs.google.com. Now what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to provide you a Google Doc with all of this where it should be entered. So I'm going to call this privacy policy. So this will be right under the video as well. And I'm going to paste this in. Now what I'm going to do here is very simple. I'm going to run a find, so Control F or Command F, and I'm going to look for the website cosmichealthy.com. And then I'm going to click on this little more options button, and I'm going to replace with. And I'm going to replace with this URL, inspiredlife.co. And I'm going to paste that in, remove the, we'll leave in the HTTP. And then we'll just click replace all. And now we have everything replaced right over here. So this is all set up and ready. Now here's one of the questions that I know I'm going to get asked, is that once I share this, how exactly can I go ahead and copy this to my own account? Well, it's a really good question. So let's just say I'm a viewer, okay? So let's just say I can only view, like you right now. What you would have to do is click File, and then you can actually make a copy. I'm not signed into an account here, but you can click File, make a copy, and then it would automatically put this file into your Google Documents. So you have this for yourself. So that's what you have the ability to do now. And that is down below this video. And once you're in here, just search for, you could just put my website. So you'll actually be able to search my website. As a matter of fact, give me 1 second. I'll show you exactly what to do because I'll edit it right now for you. So right here, once you're able to edit it, I want you to hit Command Find or Control Find. And I want you to click the little three-prong over here again. So Control Find. And then what we're going to do is we're going to type in mywebsite.com. We're going to click the little 3 more options button. And we're going to replace with your website. So your website, obviously mine is going to be right over here. So it's going to be inspiredlife.co. And I'm going to replace with inspiredlife.co. And I'm just going to click replace all. And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is, since this is all ready, I'm going to just highlight it all and click copy, right? So edit, copy. I'm going to go back to the privacy policy page, and I'm just going to paste it in here. And it's all pasted. And then I'm going to click save, all right? Click save. I'm going to go back, and now we have our privacy policy done. Now you're going to do the same thing with the disclaimer. Now the disclaimer will also be below this video. All you have to do is make a copy and then just search for my website, and then just replace mywebsite.com with your website URL. Copy, paste it into the actual disclaimer page. Very simple. As you can see, it has Cosmic Healthy right here for now, but I'm going to go ahead and change all of that. So you'll notice over here that there's a contact, right? So if I just search contact, it'll have a website like contact@yourwebsite.com. So how do you create this contact email? Well, very simple. You're going to go to your SiteGround, just click on websites, and then you're going to go and just click on Site Tools. Now once you're in Site Tools, on the left-hand side, you'll click Email, and then you'll just click Accounts, and then you're just going to type in account name, contact, and then the password that you want set, okay? This is going to be whatever you want. and then you're going to click create. So there you go. Your email is now created and you can always access it right over here. It's very simple, nothing too complex. Okay, so now you have your email, but again, you don't need to edit the contact. All you need to do is once you run a control find, you're able to go ahead and just edit the part that says mywebsite.com with your website. That's all you have to do. So with that being said, that's how you edit the disclaimers inside of ClickFunnels. It's very important that you do that. But don't forget that once you edit the disclaimers, what you need to do is inside of your actual WordPress, in your pages, you want to make sure that you have the disclaimers linked up. And I'll talk about how to do that in the next video.